Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Jazz, and today we are going to be crocheting this Bolero shrug. So just follow along as I do so. I didn't write down a pattern or anything just because I followed a YouTube video, so I'm gonna link that below. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. guys, so I finally finished the Bolero shrug that I was crocheting. So I obviously still need to weave in the ends. I'm just lazy and didn't do that yet, but I want to go show you guys the finished product. So this is it. It's gonna be super oversized. It's so cute. So this is what it looks like. Front panel, back panel, and then the sleeves. So I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. And then as you see here, I am loving the way that it came out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.